Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. This is from thinktankphoto.com. It's the Think Tank Photo Video Tripod Manager 44. Now, if you know the Chris Voss Show, we love Think Tank photo bags. We've tested a ton of them. We use them as our gear bags when we travel. Highly recommend this product. Basically, the 44 is a well-cushioned, highly rigid rolling case that provides hard case protection with soft case convenience for your nice tripods. It's got robust handles on all four sides. It's easy to load into a vehicle. Plus, its rectangular shape stacks easily, saving space for an ideal travel solution. It's built tough with the quality that you know Think Tank Photo for, and it protects your tripod. It's got crush resistance ABS twin wall reinforcement, provides impact protection, shock absorbing wheels that roll smoothly and hold up under the toughest conditions. I've tried to destroy my wheels on my Think Tank Photo a few times at Anger at the airport, and man, these things hold up. It's crazy. Protective zipper flap that keeps zippers running smooth after years of use. It's really nice too, of course, to protect against like rain or other things of that nature. It's got included lock and cable that's built into it to secure the main compartment of your case to a fixed object. I love that. No one can walk off with your stuff. Rectangular stackable shape for portability and space saving. Multiple tie-down straps to secure your tripod, stands, or slider when transporting between locations. It's got coffin-style opening, which gives you unencumbered access to your gear. 8 external handles for team lift and easier lifting and loading. You can have a whole mess of people lift this baby up. There's tons of handles all the way around it. It's got YKK RC fused zippers with 1,680D ballistic nylon and ABS twin wall reinforcements, highest quality materials standards in the industry. Bolster cushions, which provide support for different size gear. You can move them around with the Velcro rip on them. ID plate, which can be registered on the Think Tank website to help if your bag's ever stolen or lost, you recover it. Large interior mesh pockets for organizing your tools and accessories. Adjustable lid straps to keep the bag open and accessible. Rear skid rails and tall wheel housings allow you to load and unload from a vehicle with these. Easy to clean internal bottom lining. You can zip the lining out and wash it, and away you go. And it's got clear pockets for documents and easy identification on the top panel, and user replaceable wheels and hardware. And it will pretty much hold your cinema-sized tripods, stands, sliders, or modifiers up to 40 inches with this case. Pretty cool. The exterior dimensions are 44.5 in height, 12.6 in depth, and 12.6 in width. So pretty amazing. We got a chance to review it, and of course we loved it. This thing is super rugged, but will protect your equipment and keep it nice and safe. Be sure to go to thinktankphoto.com, tell them Chris Voss sent you, and check out the Video Tripod Manager 44. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you next time.